Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. Wow, look, finally there's a new chick hatching.
Look at this.
If you listen closely, you'll hear the chick. Thanks everyone for all your support. Look guys, the little chick is trying so hard to get out. He's almost free.
Look.
Guys, look, he made it out. There he is. He's so tiny. It's time to set them in the basket. I'm gonna shift the ones that have spent more than 24 hours in the incubator. These two are too young, so I'm gonna leave them in the incubator for another day. It's time for the two little chicks to meet their family. I hope this goes well. We're opening them inside so we can keep an eye on the chick. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. And please leave a comment down below. Bye.